Hi, I'm Chrisa from Dimension. I'm the lead vocalist of the band. I study music theory and classical singing. And the reason for joining the band is my passion and love for singing.
Hi, I'm Chris. I'm the keyboard player and guitar player of Dimension. I started to play guitar when I was 15. Then because of the music theory I started taking some piano classes, and that's why I started to play keyboards.
Hi, this is Chris from Dimension and I'm the guitar player of the band. I'm one of the founder members of the band. I joined the band 2 years